I've spread all the shards over the kiln shelf and covered it with kiln paper so that they don't stick, making sure that they don't touch each other. This ensures that the beads will bead up individually. Most stained glass beads will bead at about 900 C, but not all glass comes out shiny. Vitrification can occur if there's any moisture in the kiln, but also some glasses just tend to become frosty anyway. I've washed and dried the beads and now they're ready for sorting. This is a mirror which I have decorated using the beads. Thank you for listening.